pray for this coming next year's centenary function of Kakaji and Papaji. Aruna Ben timely, became retired, This retirement came on very good timing, that she would be spending whole year now in this nice seva of our coming centenary. Our Ghanshyam Bhai also has come, and on Tuesday he is going to India to prepare for this coming centenary functions, programs. And we were just walking, in the morning, taking a walk, and Ghanshyam uncle was mentioning, that the Shatabdi has come, but not everybody is still awakened, A lot of centers are still not awakened, Can you imagine when Swaminarayan Bhagavan Shatabdi came, how long before, all the centers all over Swaminarayan group were all ready and excited and, wanting to do, And we understand, that maybe Vadtal and Ahmedabad centers, they don't understand what Kakaji was, But even yesterday, Kishore Bhai and I were talking, also, that what Kakaji has done by listening and reading all these discourses, of different peoples, Jeva Mendir Khyare and other things, then we have to spread this message, We have to awaken the people and create this kind of, awareness. So, either we start from the top and come all the way to the nucleus, or we start from the nucleus, explode it, and let the whole world know, the big explosion, right? Either way is fine, but we have to do something, So, Ghanshyam uncle was saying, that within our own Gunatit Samaj, we want to awaken, all these other groups, And he's going to go there and he's going to start talking and communicating, with different groups and have some of their key people who have been in touch with Kakaji, that they come in our function and we make their testimony, as part of function maybe, Let them say what Kakaji did there in their lives, And we cannot get everybody maybe, but some representatives from the group can come maybe, that would be also great. And this thought came yesterday, I think Pintu Bhai and others, they were sitting in the meeting in the afternoon here, and thought came, Coincidentally, when I was coming, in the afternoon, from Waukegan, our NG Ben brought up the same point. And she was saying that, what if she and others, like, our Beno from Powai, Forum Ben and others, work together and get in touch with all these women that were inspired during Kakaji's and Papaji's time and did their, whole work, to elevate themselves to become sadhus or, Brahmarup. So, let those people tell us also, have their testimony also, in this coming function, So, the thoughts are very parallel, And I don't think, there was talk between NG and, this Mandal also, but at least, Kakaji is inspiring us, in this way, And whatever Ghanshyam Bhai is also saying, is making sense, that if we don't do anything, if we don't talk about Kakaji, then it's not going to, awaken, Kakaji wants us to, do that. And when we do that, we will benefit. It will give us more power and more strength, So whoever we meet, at least in a day, let us talk to at least one or two new people and give this message, in our life also, And encourage them to come, Even let them come in this, our routine Sunday Mahapujas or Friday Sabhas or Saturday Sabhas or even yesterday, that Saturday is, Vachanamrut. Lot of people, on phone they were listening. They were also very interested, in learning, what Swaminarayan Bhagavan taught, about ek avasthani andar babbe avastha, So, if they come, they would enjoy, So, we pray to Maharaj and Kakaji and Papaji and Gunatit Swarupo, that Ghanshyam Bhai's Jatra mission becomes grand success, and lot of people, a lot of leaders listen to that and, cooperate with that and come, in this coming function, Kakaji says, even if you come or not, my function will be grand, મારા ફંક્શનમાં કોઈ ફેર પડવાનો નથી. તમે આવો કે નહીં આવો, પણ આવશો તો તમારું અતિશય રૂડું થશે. So, let us help doing that, And Ghanshyam uncle will be traveling for about a month or so in India. Then we'll come back to London. He will come to London because Sahib is saying that you are the first Ambrish in our Samaj, Ilaben and you, You have been selected as first Ambrish by Kakaji, So you have to come. So now Ilaben is going to come from America to London and Ghanshyam will come from India to London, And then, there would be a very nice, function there, And we are going to talk. Even people want to listen or not. We are going to talk in that function also. Right? That's our job. That's our, seva, right? And I'm sure, people will come, They will come. Kishore Bhai is, drumming up, to get 2 buses or 1 bus or whatever, from London, right? On this function. Vasi Bhai has said 2 buses, right? Yeah. So whatever, whoever comes will benefit a lot, So, Gunatitanand Swami in this Vat also is saying the same thing, that we are just reading now in a different way, But Swami is saying, Karya vina koi vat thai nahi. Without acting, you cannot complete the task. If you have to talk, if you have to act, if you have to, do whatever, pray and whatever, it is needed. Otherwise, it cannot happen. It will not materialize, Yes, there are some who are very elevated. They are born, that way. For them, it would be a roadway for them, But for big mass, you have to, talk. You have to do the advertisement, Even in business, for last 200 years, advertisement chapter is going on, First advertisement started in London, the dress of the Queen. And they were advertising, that this is the dress of Queen. And if you want to have similar dress, we will sell you, And it was selling a big thing, So advertisement was a big business, from long time, And it has peaked now, with Google and Facebook and all that, But now there is another wave coming, they say, that the spending of advertisement money is slowing down now. It's going down. They are not seeing the big effect as they would like to see, So they would do advertisement, but not growth, it would be flat or less. Hmm? But in our Gunatit Samaj, we have not stopped, Our advertisement is growing, Swaminarayan Bhagavan has said, Padre Padre, Swaminarayan Bhagavan naam levase. Every leaf, there will be a name of Swaminarayan Bhagavan, And we want to continue, This is not a slow business, It is a growing business, So we have to do our seva. અને સ્વામી પણ કહે છે કર્યા વિના કોઈ વાત થાય નહીં. રસોઈના મનસૂબા કરવા માંડશું તેથી કંઈ રસોઈ તૈયાર ન થાય. If we want to talk about that, okay, I am hungry and I want to cook this and I want to cook that, I want to make this and I want to make that. But if we don't get up and make it, you will not have food on the plate. You cannot just talk and eat the food, Even you cannot have the newspaper with a picture of, nice thali, Indian dish or, nice taco or nice pizza, and say, okay, my hunger is going to go away, We want to, when we talk about doing food, cooking item, we have to start cooking it, And I have seen our Kusumben for many, many years, From the morning, the kitchen starts, She wakes up in the morning and starts, planning for the whole day's menus, And her whole intention is to offer to God, third, And whatever we eat is a byproduct, from the prasad of third, But she cannot just sit in her bedroom and say, okay, how are we going to cook the food and who is going to cook the food and all that, right? And with that now, our NG and our Aruna Ben has picked up the, speed and pace also, Because Kusum Ben is, now coming to the point, that she has to slow down, She doesn't want to slow down, but, we have to, give her a support, So our Aruna Ben has come and she is doing every morning, preparation in the mandir, that Kusum aunty used to do or our NG Ben used to do, And very timely, when Aruna Ben retired and came here, NG found a nice job. So she has to leave early, like 7 o'clock, before 7 o'clock for the job, But mandir activity is not stopping, Maharaj has already planned, It is going on, So Aruna Ben is doing very nicely, Mandir Seva, Aarti and all that, So, Gunatitanand Swami says that we have to prepare ourselves. And if we do that, then divinity will help us. Divine power will work with us. માટે જ્યારે કરવા માંડશું ત્યારે જ થશે. Whenever we start acting rather than just talking, then and then it will happen. And if we become active, then whole situation will turn around, I remember many years ago when I was working in Elkhart, Indiana, in a consulting company, We get a project that, okay, there is a high school we have to build. Now for high school, I get the portion of the mechanical side, air conditioning side, plumbing side, piping side, And I don't have any idea that where I'm going to start drawing the lines, for maps, drawings, right? Because I have to wait for the architects first to prepare the architectural drawings, right? Then I can draw on those things. And at that time, there were no computers, we were doing by pencil, We make mistakes and we use eraser, And then we again make new plans, So I would have a blank paper on my desk, on my drawing table, And I start thinking that, where should I start, But then I tell myself that if I start drawing the line, then it will make a whole plan, I have to pick up the pencil and make the action. If I make the action, then the thing will be started. Even though it is not right, maybe, it's fine. But we will be active. So, the drawings were made and, finally, the project was complete also. But similarly, Swami says that જ્યારે બી કરવા માંડશું ત્યારે થશે. No matter how much we talk, but if we don't put in action, it will not be happen. We have to put it in action. આપણે એવું મંડી પડવું છે ભાઈ. શતાબ્દી માટે જો અમારા ઘનશ્યામભાઈ કેટલા એડવાન્સમાં પ્લાનિંગ કરીને કે ભાઈ આપણે ઇન્ડિયા જઈને બધું ગોઠવવા જ માંડીએ, નહીં તો પાર નહીં આવે, નહીં તો ટાઈમે થશે નહીં. And he is here for his citizenship, right? He wants to stay every possible day in this country, so his 5 years can be counted. But his priority is not that. His priority is Kakaji's, Pappaji's centenary function. And that is why he says, forget about this citizenship, that will come maybe a little bit later, But I want to go to India and I want to start doing this thing. Now, other thing, that he has done that in the past, He has done several functions in the past. He had created from zero, our 2009 function, in Powai, that we did, Kakaji's, Maitri Milan Mahotsav. Melanie came there, in that function, first time. And just about a month before the function, the area, the land that we were going to make that function was not available, It was somebody's land that we were asking to, give us for a, time being, And finally, we started doing Zoom, And then something happened within that guy and says, okay, you have it. And there was a lot of rocks, lot of junk, and lot of things, to remove, But the moment we got that signal, our Ghanshyam really acted up, And it became, it was a floating whole dome, air dome, right? An air-conditioned dome inside, And he did that in time, But day and night, it was going on. So, if we plan it, we have more than a month, here, We have 12 months, right? So, if we plan now, it would be a grand success. And we would remember in our whole life, that we had that function, right? So, Swami is saying that if we start acting, then it would happen. So now, Swami is focusing on the vows and niyam and the promise that they have made in front of Swaminarayan Bhagavan. That as a saint, how renounced they are going to be, How totally dejected, or, totally not attached to the worldly things. They want to attach only to God, That was their goal as a sadhu, to become Brahmarup, So now Swami says that all these hurdles which are coming in this way, we are not going to, get tangled into that. So he says, અને મહારાજ અને આ સાધુનો મત એ છે જે દેહે કરીને વિષય ભોગવવા દેવા નથી. સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન and Gunatitanand Swami has a common goal that we don't want to let you indulge into the sense gratification in this body, those who are sadhu, And if as a Gruhasti, if we do even 10% or that, even 5% of that, they will be even happy, કે ભાઈ તમે ગૃહસ્થી થઈને બી આટલું નિયમ રાખવા માગો છો, નિયમ પાડવા માગો છો, ચાલો તમારી ઉપર અમે બહુ રાજી 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 છીએ. પણ શું કહે છે, આ મહારાજાના સાધુનો મત એ છે જે દેહે કરીને વિષય ભોગવવા દેવા નથી. We are not going to give you any opportunity, any chance that you would indulge into the sense gratifications. And to put the fire into that, to put the real burning, thought into that, is that we are not going to create an atmosphere where you would be having this kind of thoughts, It's going to the thoughts level, અને કે છે તે શું છે મનમાં વિષયનો સંકલ્પ થવા દેવો નથી. In the mind, we don't want to have a desire of sense gratification. Forget about outside, And here, in this country, it's the exactly opposite, Everywhere you go in the medias and everywhere you go to all these places, these are all sense gratification attractions, So it is a bigger fight and bigger war here, But for those who have decided that, okay, I am not for that, it doesn't matter whether we are in India, or we are in London, or we are in America, or we are in Paris, or we are in Switzerland, or anywhere, or even we are in the heaven, in Devta's lok, If you have decided, I'm not interested, then what? What is going to turn you on? Nothing, Arjun, he was very much, tangled into women, There is a long story in Mahabharata, that when Draupadi was won in the Swayamvar, by Arjun hitting the arrow on the fish, and Arjun brought Draupadi at their rented home where his mother was cooking food, And there was another fighting going on, in the Swayamvar place, because they said that how come this, beggars people, married this woman, They did not know that there were 5 brothers, Pandavas, So Arjun rushingly, brings home to give a news and to receive the blessings from his mother, that he says that I have brought something for you to see, mom. And the word come out from the mom saying that you share, 5 of you share it. So that was a big shock to Arjun. Arjun thought that this is my wife, Draupadi will be my wife, right? And now he has to share, And then Naradji comes and explains to 5 brothers that 1 woman and 5 men, there will be always fight. No matter how close you are as brothers, And he gave examples, in the past that it has happened, So Naradji says that you make some kind of rules and regulations so that this fight and war does not happen within you, Otherwise, you 5 brothers will be shattered down, Will be all broken down, Just because of 1 woman, So then, the elder brother, Dharmaraja, sits down and says, okay, there are 360 days or 356 days in the year. So we divide 73 days each for each brother that she would be staying as wife, And then the rule is that whoever's brother's place in the room she is staying, nobody can enter there, Because if they enter, they become jealous. They become angry, So nobody would be entering in that room for those 73 days assigned to a particular brother, And when 73rd day is removed, Draupadi will go through the fire, She will enter into the fire, purify herself, and then join with another brother, She was so pure, She was so elevated, She will not get burned in the fire, And it was going on, and the first time was elder brother, Dharmaraja. So Dharmaraja was sitting with Draupadi in his room, and they were managing the whole, kingdom, And at that time, the bad news came that the thieves have stolen the cows of the Brahmins and ran away, And a duty of a king is to protect the Brahmins and the cows. That is the main duty of the king, Brahmins are the preachers and teachers, They are very valuable, part in the society. And cows are animals, but very much providing all the supports, the bulls for the farming, the cow dung, and, their, children, as bulls and cows, and milk and all that, So the duty of a king was to protect the Brahmins and the cows. And these two things are happening at the same time, that the cows of Brahmins are robbed by the robbers. So the news came. So Arjun and Bhim and all other brothers got very mad, saying that we cannot let those thieves run away, So Arjun needs his arrow and bow. But they had Gandiv. Bow was kept into the room where Dharmaraja and Draupadi are discussing and talking, So now he became confused. What should I do? So he gave the priority of protecting the cows. So he entered excusing, saying that, sorry, but my bow is here, and I have to go and fight with these people, So he says, okay, come, take it, His brother was very open, says, take it, So he took it. But he saw the picture that brother was sitting with Draupadi, and something, happened to him, that after getting those cows back, winning the battle, he brought the cows back. But a thought came in his mind that I have violated the vow. And the punishment or the price for violation was also put in, that whoever violates this has to go for 12 years in jungle. He has to quit the home for 12 years and be celibate and wander in jungle and meditate and then come back. That was the rule. So the Arjun is saying that to his brother that I'm ready to go to jungle. Brother says, why? He says, I violated. I entered in your room. Now what to do? So his brother is interpreting this condition in a way so that Arjun does not have to go to jungle. So he says that this rule applies only to me because I am the elder brother and I don't rule upon you guys, You don't have to do that to me, If I violate when she is with you, then I have to go to jungle. But you come to me, you are my younger brother, so it's pardon, What a nice way to, interpret that way, right? But Arjun takes it totally oppositely, He gets mad at his brother, And he says that you are not letting me follow the rule. I am going to go there and I am going to be a celibate for 12 years and I will prove, that this rule is followed by me, And then he leaves, without taking permission. And he leaves and then he gets tangled into women in jungle. The first women that Ulupi, was the first women, And they get closer to each other, So then Ulupi says, now, I want you to be married with me, And Arjun says, but I have a vow, I have to be celibate, for 12 years. So then Ulupi interprets that vow in a different way. Ulupi says that you have to be celibate with Draupadi only, That you have made condition with her only, I am okay. And that poor fellow buys that, rather than fighting with that, And then, there are so many other examples. But what I'm saying is, that the rules are made to protect us, And if we are not sincere, then it will not help us, So Gunatitanand Swami says that I am going to make sure that it is not outside, but it is not in your mind also, That is how high I want you to elevate, મને કરીને પણ ભોગવવા નથી. અને જે ખરેખરા જે છે અને જેણે આ દેહમાં તુલસી મૂકી છે, and those who are really dedicated to that, and those who have dedicated themselves for the satsang, then for them it is not hard. તેની પાસે either you tell him to do the lowest duty, વાસુદુ કઢાવો, collect the cow dung, or you remove the leadership of the temple. Mahanta, Gunatitanand Swami was the head of the, Junagadh temple. And he says that if you tell, Acharya to remove me from here, will not be any disappointment. Not only that, they would be even happier કે મને મહંતાઈમાંથી દૂર કર્યો ભાઈ સારું થયું લો ભલું થયું ભાગી જંજાળનો That is how Gunatitanand Swami says. વાસીદો કઢાવો તો બી હરખ અને મહંતાઈ ટળી જાય તો બી હરખ, will be happy. એવો બીજાને સંકલ્પ સાનો જ હોય. That type of elevated understanding would not have any other desire of the worldly things, right? તેવો હોય તે ભગવદી પાકો. That is what ભગવદી definition of Gunatitanand Swami's ભગવદી, આટલી સમજણવાળો એ ભગવદી કહેવાય. પાકો ભગવદી, he is the ripened friend of ours, that he will not misguide us. He will not give any other alternates, He will not be like Ulupi or Dharmaraja, misinterpreting, But that is how it is. ચાલો આજે સરસ ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો. બધાને ખૂબ ખૂબ આનંદ. તમે બધા આવો છો, અને આવી સરસ મહાપૂજાનો લાભ લો છો. યુ આર ટેકિંગ બેનિફિટ્સ ઇન મહાપૂજા. એન્ડ આઈ રિયલી, appreciate, our Melanie and our James, that 70% of discussion is in Hindi, Gujarati or Sanskrit, right? And still 25% of English that they come and drive this long distance, right? So thank you to Emily and thank you to Angie that she has supported all these things for last year or 2 years, while she was going in school and doing that, So you are all feather in our head. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. आज के आनंद की जय जय जय. सदगुरु देव की जय जय जय. सर्वे गुणातीत स्वरूपोनी जय जय जय. ચાલો વાસુદેવ હરે. એકાદશી